Okay, now we're going to try to do this again. Look, he is still cute, isn't he? Hello, Tank. So this is Tuesday, April 2nd, and let's see if we can get a video of Tank and I having fun in the ring. What are you looking for, Tank? Okay, this is an experiment. We will not really know how it goes. And we don't even know how to edit yet. Yay! Did you see in that camera? It's, yes. Cute.